Hello everyone, this is Divyan Soni, team leader of Hyperactive Coding Nights, or you can call it the Team Hack. We have the team members named Aditya Dangi, Srujan Namdev, Harsh Shekhar and Shivansh Ahirva. Today, we the Team Hack are going to present our idea for the Viksit Bharat Buildathon. So I would like to invite Harsh to come and express what the problem we have discussed so far. Harsh.
Hello, I am Harsh and I am telling about the problem. The problem in our community is that we stand in a long lines in public places like government offices, temples, hospitals, where the people feel uncomfortable and lose their energy. And whereas students, those waste their precious time, and old age group, those who feel uncomfortable. Now, Susan will come and tell about the solution for the problem.
So, the solution for this problem is a smart queue system, a system that replaces the physical long queues with the virtual ones. People can book their turn through their mobile phones, SMS, and kiosks. People will get token in and they can check their waiting time, check their position, and get alarms when their turn is near. Government hospitals and offices can use web development for managing the queues. Overall, the smart queue system will save time, reduce confusion, and stress. Thank you.
Now let me further ideate the different solutions that we have come through the problem we have discussed so far. So for the problem, the first solution that we have come upon is the digital queue app. The digital queue app works with the token system that people can register themselves before going to the place. And next we have an SMS based token system. So some people in the rural areas do not often have smartphones or access to the internet, so they can connect through an SMS based system to get their tokens and they can register themselves in the queues. And third, we have a smart card or QR system. Just like we have fast tracks on the toll tax, same we have a QR or a smart card system which further acts on the spot and you can be in the queue. And next we have a smart kiosk at venues. At the venues we have a digital tablets or a TV screen from which there will be an assistant sitting nearby which can upload or register yourself or give you a token of the queue itself. And we have last an AI prediction assistant. AI prediction assistant will help you to manage the time, like how much time it will take so that your turn can come upon. And lastly, we the all team members. So we are not asking people to be more patient. We are giving them a reason to be patient because the future doesn't stand in lines. Thank you.